I'm Dr. Surendra Ugale and I'm based at Kirloskar Hospital at Bashir Bagh in Hyderabad. I have been involved in laparoscopic surgery since 1991, and from 2008 we have started this advanced form of surgery for treating type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes so far has been treated by medicines. When medicines don't work, the people have more complications, the disease progresses in spite of all medicines. That is where the role of surgery would come, either for people like this, also better for people who before the complications they should try and seek seek the treatment if the diabetes is progressive. If the diabetes is mild, they do not need to have surgery. Age limit approximately from 30 to 70. Fitness is more important. They have to be active and fit, and otherwise anyone who has the progressive form of diabetes would be suitable for this type of treatment. We have some selection blood tests by which we assess how the pancreas is, so how the response of the pancreas will be. Once these tests are favorable, then we can go ahead with the surgery. It costs approximately between 3.5 to 4 lakhs average. We have done total of 39 operations including this morning's, 39. We've not done any special campaigns because we said we must first do work, prove it. So once in a way we have had some awareness, some public awareness, and maybe in future we would need to do something for increasing public awareness. The main advantage is that it will stop the progression of the disease. When our selection is right, the diabetes will be completely controlled. A cure is a technical microbiological term which we probably should not use. We should say controlled, and the progress is stopped. So that gives the patient the relief from all the complications, and many of them having all blood pressure or other problem with their nerves, they become all right. So it's of great benefit to the patient. It is a laparoscopic operation. There are 6 small incisions on the abdomen, and the operation is to mainly take a segment of small intestine and relocate it or transplant it from the lower part to the upper part. So food will reach it early. When food reaches it early, it stimulates the hormone of GLP-1 from the intestines. This GLP-1 hormone goes to the pancreas and stimulates it to secrete insulin. That is how the operation acts. Thank you.